to be drawing. And you know who will be drawing. Yeah, she's drawing. I'm making a Slinky. She's on to crafts. Okay, so let's begin. Me first. Me first. Okay? Okay, I'm first. Haha. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Let's do this. Just like you. Now you're saying rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Wait, 3 times. Fine. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Yay, I'm first. Okay, let's begin. Bye-bye. Bye. Today I'm going to be making a Slinky, and I'll show you how to make cards with the Slinky. So let's see what the things you'll be needing. So you'll be needing color papers for the Slinky card or just a regular Slinky. You'll be needing a thin cardboard too. You'll need a glue and you'll need scissors. So let's begin making a Slinky. So first thing you'll be needing to do is keep the glue on one piece at the end of one piece. You can spread it if you like. You can not spread it if you like. After you keep that other piece on top. Fold it like this. The first piece you glued it on. And then keep on doing that till you get it to the end. At the end, if you want a longer Slinky than I'm making, you could take 2 more parts and stick it on the edge. Well, I'm not going to do that. So all I'm going to do now is glue this like this. I'm going to cut off the extra first. Hold it for a while, or else it won't stick properly to be a Slinky. Okay, now that the top part is dried, you can play with it like this. It will bounce a little. You can play with it like this. It'll jump. And you can play this. And you can stretch it. It might turn cross while you're stretching. Now, I'll show you some cards over here and some other Slinkies I've made. Okay, these are the cards. Just to take some cardboard and stick it right on top of the Slinky. Those are the cards. And if you want the Slinkies for decoration, make it with the ribbons. And I made just these Slinkies fun to play with. This was out of paper, and this is out of cardboard. A little. Now it's Ashrita's turn. Today I'll show you how to draw a diya with chalk pastels. So the things you'll be needing is so I already cut the waste cardboard and sticked 2 plain papers on each side. Then I drew a diya or a deepam and added some lights above. So I'm going to do the outlines of these diyas. Take your brown and gently outline your diya spot. So, if you use a cotton swab, it will mix nice and it will look natural. So I'm starting with the fire. See how it looks naturally? So I already made a card of my finished one. So this is how it will be looked like if you finish. You could add lights on the top and some flowers on the sides if you like. You can add your own details. So it's to the ending. Let's make an onion. 1, 2, 3. I made magic in an onion. Hey! I did make magic. Anyway, okay. Hope you like my Slinky and hope you like my drawing. Like, share, subscribe. The sisters are flying off to the end of the video. Bye.